Hey everyone, you're welcome back here. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you that you can do away with your waist trainer and get this waist trimmer, okay, that would help you to make your waist smaller, just like it has actually been helping me, because you guys know it's not been long I put to bed and I need my waist to be slim. Since I need my waist to be trimmed and to be very slim, I am going to say let's do this together, yeah, and let's go into this journey together. And well, I'm sure you're not going to be regretting it. Well, you have to also stay away from some food like fast food, too much of sweet drinks and too much of carbohydrates, yeah. Stay away from fatty food completely. Don't take too much of sweet drinks and don't take too much of carbohydrates, yeah. Okay, and let's do this together. Let me show you all of the ingredients, and thumbs up, subscribe and share. Let's go. This is dates. You can get dates online, you can order it, or you can equally just go to a local market to buy dates. Okay, so when you're buying your dates, make sure that it is a ripe date. And so if your date does not contain a seed, do not use it, okay, because it is not good. And make sure to use a ripe date, yeah, because the ripe one is going to be easy for you to peel. The unripe one is usually very difficult to peel. Okay guys, so this is okay, and I'm going to be putting it into a blender while I do other stuff. Alright guys, so for the waist trimmer, you're going to be needing to use your cucumber, and cucumber is essential for the body and also for the skin, guys. It helps so much in aiding weight loss, and it also helps to cut down fat, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be washing it. I'll be cutting it into two, and then I would have to cut it in little tiny pieces. Okay guys, so now we would have to be putting it into the blender. And then this is this. And then the next ingredient, which is very important, is lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and as such is great for the skin. It helps so much to rejuvenate and brighten up the skin. It also helps to cut down fat. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be cutting the lemon. Then I'll have to be squeezing out the seed before I'll then squeeze in the juice. I'll do the same thing here. I've actually squeezed out the seed, and now I'm actually squeezing out the juice. So this is it. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to be needing is garlic. Now garlic is a great ingredient that helps so much for cold, flu, catarrh, and it also helps to remove unwanted fats. Garlic is enough. You don't need too much of it at a go. Now I'll have to put it inside the blender. Okay, so we're going to be making use of ginger, and we're going to be using just a little of this ginger. Now after peeling, I would have to be washing it. Okay. And this is it. Then we'll cut it in pieces. And we're gonna be putting it in the blender. Now before we blend this, we would have to put in just a little water. Now this water is just to enable the blender blend this really well. Okay. Then after that, we would be your waist trimmer drink. Waist trimmer drink that would help you so much to trim your waist. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be adding apple cider vinegar for this, because it's actually very, very necessary, and this is actually going to help so much in making this drink really, really effective. So what I'm going to do now, just 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, yeah, and then we can actually just blend it again. Now the second blending is so that it can mix really, really well. Okay, you get a glass cup and then you serve your waist trimmer drink. Yeah, so you can actually decide to do it anyway. This way is the first way, and I would recommend you do it this way and just drink it, or you can actually decide to strain the fiber out of it. So you're going to be taking just the juice. Strain another one. Okay, so now this is your waist trimmer. So however you want to drink it, guys, you can choose to drink it this way, yeah, or you can choose to drink it the former way with all of the fiber, which is still good, yeah. So that particular one is gonna like fill your tummy, but this particular one is just juice that you're gonna take and it's gonna be really really good. Okay, so go try this out and do not take too much of carbohydrate. Trim down, you know, reduce with taking too much of fatty food, and you're gonna love your results. So that's it, and I am going to be taking this, and you can also try taking this, you know, take it just like I've told you, you know, in the video, and it's going to be trimming down your waist really really good. And I'm going to be coming out with my results, just like you're going to be coming out with your testimony at the comment section. So let's do this together. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. And I will see you again. Bye guys.